Have you ever had a long description that you need to share with respondents, but it feels overwhelming to display all at once? With this handy HTML feature, you can make it cleaner and easier to read by turning lengthy topics into collapsible buttons. This allows respondents to expand and read details only when they need them, keeping the interface simple and user-friendly. It's perfect for surveys with complex information, instructions, or additional context, giving your audience a smoother, more organized experience. In this example, we're going to turn three sections: voluntary participation, confidentiality, and data usage into clickable, expandable buttons. This way, viewers can easily access each section with a simple click, keeping everything neat and organized. First, we'll add the details tag just before the heading, then place the heading itself inside the summary tag. Finally, we'll close the details tag. Let's try it out with the voluntary participation section and see how it looks. Now that we've added the collapsible structure, let's take a look at how it works. When you click on the voluntary participation heading, the section expands to show the full text, and clicking it again will neatly collapse it back. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your content organized and user-friendly, especially for longer descriptions. Next, we'll repeat these steps for the other sections, confidentialities and added data usage, to give them the same collapsible effect. Great! Now that we've applied the collapsible effect to each section, let's see it all together. With voluntary participation, confidentiality, and data usages now set up as expandable buttons, the layout looks clean and easy to navigate. Now, respondents can choose exactly what they want to read without being overwhelmed by too much information at once. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.